Okay, everybody, today we are going to make 2 luggage tags, okay? And we are going to use the solid back black piece. That is going to be the transparent glitter vinyl that we're going to do today. And then on this one, we're going to use printed vinyl and we're going to put a name with an offset. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is type a name. Let's go ahead and change the color of this so that we can see it easily. And we will also change the font, okay? So the font we're going to use today is Alberthia. This is a free font currently on design bundles that I found. All right, so we're going to use this. And let's size, we're going to size this down a little bit so that it will fit on our luggage tag. All right, and I do want an offset on that, so we are going to go to our offset window. Let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit so it's easier for y'all to see. Okay, so we're going to go to our offset window. We're going to select our name. We're going to click offset, and I kind of like the size of that. Let's see. Because I want some glitter to show through because I'm going to be using the transparent glitter on the back. We're going to keep it at that. So 0.125 is what we're going to do. We're going to press apply. Okay, so there's our offset for that. And then we are going to add a couple little hearts so that we can see some glitter on the bottom also. Let's do one more. And this one, I think I'm gonna make it a little smaller. All right, so there's one, and let's go ahead and do a second one. And we are gonna keep the hearts on there. So we're gonna copy and paste that. Move this over here. And then this one, we're gonna do the name Adeline. Go ahead and change the color again so we can see it. And we're going to use the same font, Alberthia. Move that up here. Resize. Offset, which will probably do the same size offset. And we're going to move these hearts a little bit because this name is different with the Y. And move that out the way for a second. And for this one, we're actually going to flip it vertically. Actually, undo. We're going to flip it horizontally. And we're going to put it on this side. Perfect. All right, so these are 2 luggage tags. This one is going to be done with a beach print vinyl. It's called Beach Water. This one is going to be done with a sprinkles. It is called Round Sprinkles. And then on the back, we're going to cut 2 of these. One of these will be in a transparent lime glitter. And then the other one will be in a transparent teal glitter. So let's go ahead and move over to our machine and we will get that cut. All right, everybody, so we have our vinyl cut for our circle luggage tags. So we're going to go ahead and weed out the vinyl. This is the Beach Water printed. And then the sprinkles printed. And then we're going to weed out our transparent glitter adhesive. All right, so we have all our vinyl weeded. Okay, so let's go ahead and take the backing paper off of our acrylic. Actually, before we do that, let's go ahead and get our transfer tape and get all of this onto transfer tape. We always want to take our backing paper off of our acrylic absolutely at the last possible second to keep it as clean as possible for as long as possible. All right, so this one is going to go with this, and then this one is going to go with this. All right. So we're going to take our backing paper off. All right, and let's go ahead and do the transparent glitter first. And like I said before, this is the piece that's the exact size of the acrylic. So it's completely normal if you have any kind of overhang or anything like that, unless it's placed like super, super amazingly precise, you're going to have overhang. So if you do, you're just going to go back, turn it over, go back with an X-Acto knife, and just trim any overhang that you might have. Okay, so now we're going to go back and we're going to take the backing paper off the other side. All right, and this one is going to go with the sprinkles. Apply that. Our vinyl, our printed vinyl does feature a rapid air release technology, so it makes it very easy to apply printed vinyl and not have any bubbles. So there's that one, and if you can see, whenever you get light coming through, you're able to see that teal color. So that's the back. Hold it to the light and you'll be able to see through. And then that's the front. Super pretty. Whenever it's held up to the light, you can see the color through. Okay, so there's one. Let's go ahead and do the other one. So we're going to do the transparent glitter first. Same concept. Normally, whenever you're applying vinyl to the back of your acrylic, you'll have to mirror it depending on the shape. This particular shape is the same on both sides, so there's no need to worry about which side it is. All right, same thing again. All right, and we're gonna do any trimming that we need. All right, perfection. All right, we're gonna go to this side, remove the backing. Get our printed vinyl. And same thing with this one. Hold up to the light, you can see the color through. Super pretty. Okay, so we have our 2 luggage tags with our offset. So for these, we're gonna use these clear loops, these luggage loops. You just put that in there and loop that. Same with this one. Put that in there and loop that. And we have our luggage tags. Super cute. I hope this was helpful to kind of show you some ideas on how to use offset, how to make the luggage tags. These little loops I just got on Amazon. I'll post the link below, our affiliate link. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. Again, this is a 3-inch circle luggage tag, sprinkles vinyl, and beach water vinyl. Y'all have an amazing day. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank y'all so much.